Imagine stepping into your garden. The air is alive with the buzz of bees. Butterflies dance among vibrant flowers. The scent of herbs and ripening fruits fills the air. This is not just a garden. It's a small but powerful act of resistance against the environmental challenges of our time. It's a testament to the fact that we can nourish ourselves while nurturing the planet. This is the essence of sustainable gardening. It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about minimizing our impact on the environment while maximizing the yield of our efforts. It's about creating a space that is not only beautiful but also beneficial to the ecosystem. Sustainable gardening starts with understanding the interconnectedness of all living things. We must recognize that our actions have consequences. The choices we make in our gardens can ripple outwards, impacting the health of our local environment and the planet as a whole. By adopting sustainable practices, we can reduce our reliance on harmful chemicals, conserve precious water resources, and create habitats for beneficial insects and wildlife. This approach is not just about growing food, it's about fostering life in all its forms. It's about creating a garden that is both productive and in harmony with nature. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. It's a complex ecosystem teeming with life. Understanding its composition and needs is crucial for sustainable gardening. Soil provides essential nutrients to plants, and it plays a vital role in water retention and drainage. One of the key principles of sustainable gardening is to protect and enhance soil health. This starts with minimizing soil disturbance. Tilling, while a common practice, can disrupt the delicate balance of the soil ecosystem. It can lead to erosion, compaction, and the loss of beneficial organisms. Instead of tilling, consider adopting no-dig gardening methods. These techniques involve building up the soil structure organically. Adding compost, aged manure, and other organic matter improves soil fertility and structure over time. It creates a hospitable environment for earthworms, beneficial bacteria, and fungi. Mulching is another essential practice for maintaining soil health. A layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or straw, helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. As the mulch decomposes, it adds valuable nutrients back into the soil, further enriching its fertility. Designing a sustainable garden is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that works in harmony with the local environment. Consider the topography of your land, the amount of sunlight it receives, and the prevailing wind patterns. Maximize space and resources by incorporating vertical gardening techniques. Trellises, raised beds, and hanging planters can increase your growing area without expanding your footprint. This is particularly useful in urban environments or for gardeners with limited space. Utilize microclimates to your advantage. South-facing walls can create warm pockets for heat-loving plants. Trees and shrubs can provide shade for delicate crops or create windbreaks to protect more vulnerable plants. Consider the flow and accessibility of your garden. Create pathways that minimize soil compaction. Locate frequently used areas, such as compost bins and tool sheds, for easy access. A well-designed garden is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and efficient. Water is a precious resource, and conserving it is essential for sustainable living. In the garden, this means adopting practices that minimize water waste and maximize its efficiency. One of the most effective ways to conserve water is through proper irrigation. Instead of overhead sprinklers, which can lose a significant amount of water to evaporation, opt for drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses. These methods deliver water directly to the root zone of plants, minimizing waste and promoting deep root growth. Mulching plays a crucial role in water conservation as well. A thick layer of organic mulch helps to suppress evaporation, keeping the soil moist for longer periods. This reduces the frequency of watering and helps to conserve water. Harvesting rainwater is another excellent way to supplement your garden's water needs. Installing rain barrels or cisterns allows you to capture and store rainwater runoff from your roof. This collected water can then be used to irrigate your garden, reducing your reliance on municipal water sources. Selecting plants that are well suited to your local climate is crucial for sustainable gardening. Native plants have evolved to thrive in the specific conditions of your region. They require less water, fertilizer, and overall maintenance compared to non-native species. When choosing plants, research their water requirements. Opt for drought-tolerant varieties, especially in areas prone to dry spells. Group plants with similar water needs together to optimize irrigation efficiency. Consider the mature size of plants before incorporating them into your garden design. Overcrowding can lead to competition for resources and increase the need for watering and pruning. Proper plant spacing promotes healthy growth and reduces the likelihood of disease. Explore the world of edible landscaping. Incorporate fruit trees, berry bushes, and herbs into your garden design. This not only provides you with fresh, homegrown produce, but also enhances the biodiversity of your garden. A sustainable garden is a haven for biodiversity. It's a place where beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife can find food, shelter, and a place to raise their young. By creating a welcoming habitat, you can attract these creatures to your garden, where they will play a vital role in pollination, pest control, and overall ecosystem health. One of the best ways to attract beneficial insects is by planting a diversity of flowering plants. Native wildflowers, herbs, and even some vegetables can provide nectar and pollen sources for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Provide shelter for wildlife by incorporating birdhouses, bat boxes, and insect hotels into your garden design. These structures offer safe havens for creatures seeking refuge from predators or harsh weather conditions. Avoid using chemical pesticides and herbicides, which can harm beneficial insects and disrupt the delicate balance of the garden ecosystem. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods, such as companion planting, introducing beneficial insects, or using organic pest control solutions. The rewards of sustainable gardening extend far beyond the bountiful harvests of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. It's a journey of connection, a reawakening to the rhythms of nature, and a testament to the power of mindful living. As you tend to your garden, you'll find yourself more attuned to the changing seasons, the subtle shifts in weather patterns, and the intricate web of life that surrounds you. The act of nurturing a garden, of coaxing life from the soil, can be deeply grounding and therapeutic. It provides an opportunity to reconnect with the natural world, to find solace in the simple act of planting a seed, watering a plant, or harvesting the fruits of your labor. Sustainable gardening is not just about reducing our impact on the environment, it's about enhancing our well-being. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels, improve mood, and boost creativity. Gardening provides a tangible connection to the earth, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. By embracing sustainable gardening practices, we become active participants in the restoration of our planet. We create pockets of biodiversity in our own backyards, contributing to a healthier and more resilient ecosystem for generations to come. It's a journey of small steps, each one a testament to our commitment to a more sustainable and harmonious way of life.